Welcome to all of you. In this video, we will know about William Shakespeare's famous tragedy Othello. So, who was Othello? Othello was a rich Moor. He had risen to be the general of Venetian army. He often visited Brabantio's house where he told about his exploits and adventurous battle stories. Brabantio was a rich senator. He had a beautiful daughter, Desdemona, who got enamored of Othello, who also loved her. They both secretly married. Brabantio told Othello to beware of Desdemona as she had already deceived him, means her father. Meanwhile, it was learned that a Turkish fleet was heading towards Cyprus to attack it. Othello, on orders from the Duke, left for Cyprus with his troops, Desdemona, a trust officer Iago, and his wife Amelia. Soon, it was learned that the Turkish fleet had sunk in the storm that had just raged. Cassio was second in command to Othello. Iago saw Desdemona holding his hand. The innocent Desdemona was doing so only to comfort herself after a tiring journey. Iago had a grudge against both Othello and Cassio since Othello had appointed Cassio to the present post instead of Iago. Iago began to think of a conspiracy against these gentlemen, and if in the progress Desdemona was also undone, it would give him greater satisfaction. Othello was glad to meet Desdemona and he took her to the castle. Merrymaking was going on because of the destruction of enemy ships by the storm. Othello gave Iago the charge to control the soldiers and check them from drinking. Iago began to give a Iago began to give a concrete shape to his conspiracy. First, he made Cassio drink heavily. Then, he made another officer pick a quarrel with Cassio. In this fight, the officer was wounded. Iago made the castle bell ring. The whole city was in panic. Iago told Othello about Cassio's guilt in a crafty language, pretending to defend him. Othello demoted Cassio. Iago continued the mischief further. He advised Cassio to request Desdemona to ask Othello to reinstate him to his original rank. Suddenly, Othello arrived when Cassio and Desdemona were talking to each other. On seeing Othello, Cassio felt ashamed and left the place. Iago explained it otherwise to Othello. He wanted the latter to be mad with jealousy. It was clear that the seed of jealousy had been sown in Othello's mind when he snubbed Desdemona on her asking him to return Cassio's rank to him and asked her to leave him alone, and he was awfully tired. Iago had hinted to Othello about Desdemona's unfaithfulness to him, but Othello wanted solid proof of it. At this, Iago told him that when he saw Cassio, he was wiping his mouth with embroidered handkerchief of Desdemona. This was too much for Othello, because the handkerchief was Othello's first gift to her. Now Othello wanted the end of Cassio as well as Desdemona within 3 days. As we know, Desdemona was an innocent young woman. One day she has dropped her handkerchief which was picked by Amelia and given to her husband, Iago, who had dropped it in Cassio's room. Now Othello asked Desdemona for the handkerchief, but she could not produce it. This made him even more jealous, and particularly when, in her innocence and benignity, she again requested her husband to restore the original rank to Cassio. One day Desdemona was sleeping. Othello kissed her several times. As she woke up, he talked of handkerchief again, which he alleged she had given to Cassio. She denied the charge and asked Othello to call for Cassio. As Othello told her that Cassio was dead, she said, "Ah, poor Cassio." Now Othello was even more confirmed in his doubt about Desdemona's relation with Cassio. When she said to her, "You shall die," she requested only half an hour's life to complete her last prayer. But Othello turned down her request and suffocated her to death by pressing pillow hard on her face. Meanwhile, Amelia came and told the truth about handkerchief. Then Montago and Iago also came. As Othello rushed to kill Iago, whose villainy he had now understood, he was held back by Montano. Iago ran away after stabbing Amelia. Othello stabbed himself to death out of remorse. Iago was later caught and tortured to death on the orders from the Senate. This is how true lovers Desdemona and Othello lost their lives for lack of wisdom. So this was the story of the tragedy Othello. Thanks a lot for watching this video. If it is liked by you, please subscribe the channel and share the video. Thanks a lot once again.